guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing my Molly from Japan, but this one is my old one from last year's Japan. I'm gonna also show you this one. This one is Hiroshi Molly, and the other one is ArtLine Molly. I'm gonna be taking out my old Molly. Her name is Millie Molly. He's a pretty rabbit Molly. So let me just set this up a little. And this is how she looks. She has a costume and there's like a little lava thingy. So this is cute. I've been waiting so long to unbox this. So let me put this here. Let's finally unbox it. Let's open it by the tab. Which one did I got? I'm so excited. Okay, at least I did it perfectly. Oops. I opened it the wrong way. Okay, here it goes. Oh, look at this packaging! It's so cute, and look at the crown. And this is from the Pop Mart. This is so cool, and I love the crown. Let's open it. Here's the tag. 3, 2, 1. Who did I get, guys? Tell me who did I get. I hope I get these rare ones here. I hope I get it. What did I get? Oh, cool! This looks so cool, you guys. I think I got the one from the front. My own. What's her name? She's so cute, and it's like My Another Half. Her name is My Another Half, and she's so cool. And this is made out of wood. There's a little cat. This is so cute. Guys, comment down below which one you like more, this one or this one. They're so cute. I love them. This is the new one. It's wooden, and I think it's actually made out of wood. And this is the old one. So cute, and I forgot about the little lava friend. And I love the little cat.